Vidhan Soudha itself, which is the most sacrosanct building of the democracy of Karnataka, where pro-Pakistani, Pakistan Zindabad slogans have been raised by the Congress party workers. Instead of condemning this, Mr. Naseer Hussain is trying to mislead and saying that somebody is spreading a false news, which is more dangerous. Congress party, when it was in power, they used to hobnob with the Pakistan. Now they are directly supporting the Pakistan. So I strongly condemn this, and I asked Mr. Rahul Gandhi what is his take on this. I asked Mr. Kharge what is his take on this, because Mr. Naseer Hussain is the Shishya of Mr. Kharge. Let them clarify, let them condemn it. I also urge the Home Minister of the Karnataka to take note of this, serious note of this, and take a very serious and stringent action on this.
Today, as some of our workers, supporters and some people were celebrating the victory of 3 candidates, I was there in the midst of them, and then lots of slogans like Naseer Hussain Zindabad, Nasir Khan Zindabad, Nasir Saab Zindabad, Congress Party Zindabad and all were being raised by some of the workers. Then all of a sudden, when I was leaving to my house, then I got call from the media saying that somebody has raised slogans of Pakistan Zindabad. I would like to say here that when I was there, when I was in the midst of the people, there are lots of slogans that were being shouted there, but I never heard a slogan called Pakistan Zindabad there. But whatever it is, we already asked the police and let the police investigate it. If somebody has raised such a kind of a slogan, then he has to be dealt with sternly and strictly according to the law. There should be an inquiry, and in case if somebody has mocked the video, if somebody has doctored the video and played up mischief, even that has to be inquired. Or if somebody has given the slogan, who is he, from where did he come, and how did he enter the premises there, and what was his intention and motive of shouting the slogan should also be seen. But as far as I am concerned, when I was there was no slogan that was shouted, this kind of a slogan shouted there, because in case when we were there, if this slogan was raised, then I am sure no sane people, no Indian, no citizen of this country would have tolerated it.